Hi my friends, this is Ian here. Just a quick tutorial on how to send an email. I personally like to send mine in HTML, but a lot of people don't like that. So I'm in the broadcast, so I've just clicked on a specific one, and I'm not going to send this, but I would put in here your subject. Okay, and then leave it in text format and just type away. This is my email. Okay, you can do one or two things to it. You can, I don't know, make it bold or whatever. Okay, you don't spell email like that, do you? Okay, and then okay, something like that. You don't need to bold that part. And you can use these as well, look. You could put right at the top, you could put hi, and then you want the curly bracket, and then name, and there. Okay, so if you did that, that would pick their name out. Okay, and then you would simply just send it. No need to preview it because you can see it just here. And another way of doing things is by sending it in HTML. So I'll just add the programmer. Let me just, I'll get back to him in a minute. Let's have a look. And what I would do, I would click source, I would delete all of that, and I would paste in my email in gobbledygook or HTML. And then I would click source, and that's what it looks like. Okay. So that's the difference between HTML and I'll get back to you in a minute. So that's the difference between text and HTML. You have to use HTML and click source and paste it in there, and then you switch back. So that's what it looks like in gobbledygook, I call it, or HTML. And then what they actually get is that. Okay, my friends? So thanks for listening. Bye for now. Any problems, get in contact down here.